Hey guys, it's Kyla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video for, I don't know what month it is, April. We're doing an April Boxycharm unboxing this month, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty subscription box that's $21 a month, and it gets shipped to your front door, and it's like 5 to 6 beauty products every month. But the box just looks like this, and I did already open this. Please don't be mad at me. Sorry, I'm not trying to show my address on here. But the box just looks like this. It's very simple and cute. And if you guys want to see what's inside, then just keep on watching. I'm so excited. Okay. So when you open it up, it just looks like this, with their like social media at the top, and then a little like pamphlet, I guess, with all the products that are in the box, a little description about them or how to use them, as well as the prices for each and everything in the box. I will say that everything comes really well packaged, so you don't have to really worry about anything breaking, but if something does break, then they're really easy to contact and get it replaced. Alright, so the theme this month is like festival vibes because it's like about to be festival season, so that's what all of this is about. Okay, so the first thing that I'm grabbing is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and it just looks like this. This is a loose powder, a highlight, all natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. It can be used on the eyes, lips, face, and body. This versatile formula is highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. Create a subtle, luminous finish or layer on for an unreal glow. And this is $27. Alrighty. The packaging's kind of cute. I can't open it. Alright, we're just gonna have to, the shade is Summer Haze, sorry. But we're definitely gonna have to just rip this packaging to get into it. Alright, so the outside's just like this, Artist Couture, Diamond Glow Powder. Okay, ooh, I like the ones that you can like twist for it to turn open instead of like just opening it and then it can like spill everywhere. So okay, so there's like a sticker in here that you have to peel off to get it to come out to start. I'm not gonna peel it off just because I don't know if I'll keep this or if I'll pass this along to someone else, because I personally don't really like to use loose powder highlights, but someone else I know might. Okay, so the next thing we have is this, which looks like an eyeliner. This is a Beauty For Real Finish Line, liquid eyeliner. Finish Line 24/7 liquid eyeliner is a mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one steady sweep. The tapered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure deep color from the Beauty For Real Finish Line liquid eyeliner. The Finish Line 24/7 liquid eyeliner is a mistake-proof pen that creates a clean line in one steady sweep. The tapered precision brush makes it easy to apply pure deep color from thin to thick, while the intensely pigmented formula makes for 24-hour smudge and budge resistant wear. Okay, and this is $16, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and open this. You can never have too many black eyeliners, so some people get like annoyed and disappointed when they get another black eyeliner, but I honestly don't mind it, I think. Why can't I open this? We getting tweezers. There we go. I thought we had it. What are you doing? My dog's down there making some crazy noise. If you hear something, I'm sorry if she's annoying. Yeah, it's just a felt tip pen. We're not gonna focus. Are we gonna focus? Are we gonna focus? There we go. Felt tip pen. I'll do a little This is definitely super, super black. I think this would be a really nice eyeliner. It dries very quickly too, like it's literally already dry. Let's go over that again. Oh yeah, you can definitely build up that color. It's so black. Okay, yeah. So this is a very nice thing, and it's only 16 bucks. That's not that bad. All right, so the next thing we have is a mascara. You're not gonna be able to see this. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara. Experience length, definition, and curl retention with Butter London's Power Up Mascara, featuring all-day wear. With the first swipe, a unique oil-free blend of nourishing waxes instantly produces noticeably longer and more defined lashes. A second swipe adds thickness and volume without clumping. The soft and creamy formula is infused with hydrating jojoba extract and water-resistant polymers to reduce smudging and flaking for a full 8-hour day. And this is a $20 mascara. I loved this other mascara that I got before from Butter London. It's called the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and I also got this in Boxycharm a while ago, so I'm really excited to try this one. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay, actually, never mind. I don't really like this wand. The hairs are literally, the little bristles are so small, you literally can't even see them. Like, they're so small. Oh my gosh, yeah. But it does have like a little bit of a curve to the brush, so I don't know, I might like it, but I'm definitely excited to try it out just because of my experiences that I had with the last one. Okay, so next we have some Luxie brushes, which, you know me, you know I have probably like 57 million brushes, and most of them are Luxie, and I absolutely love them. These are the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. Why can I not say piece? 3-piece brush set. Was curated for the perfect festival look that will last all day. Use the Luxie 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones, while the Luxie 245 small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base, shadow, and glitter. Grab the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out any eye look. And this brush set is $28. That's pretty cool. It's probably like a little bit less than $10 a brush, which really isn't that bad, especially for the performance of these brushes, or at least in my experiences. Packaging has a little Ferris wheel with like palm trees. That's really cute. All right, oh my gosh, look at the handles on these brushes, guys. They're ombre and so beautiful. This is the 512, a small contouring brush. This actually looks really nice, especially for like a person with like a smaller face that doesn't have a lot of face to work with. My face is really long, so this is the 209 large shader brush, good for patting on and blending out shades on the lid. And then the 245 small shader, this would be good for really packing on like a shimmer color or something onto your lid as well. These are really cute. I really love the handles on those. Okay, the last thing we have in the box is by the brand Pure, and this is the Complexion Authority Festival Palette. The packaging is really cute. It's like kind of the same vibe as the brushes, like with the colors. And it has some aviators with the palm trees and the Ferris wheel as well. That's really cool. Sit down, Coco. All right, and then it has like a preview of the colors on the back. All right, I'm gonna read the card now. It says, unleash the ultimate festival vibes with the limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients, and this palette is $36. And let's open it up. Oh. Well, that's cool. It also came with a little sample of Pure Get a Grip endurance eyeshadow primer, so that's pretty cool, just like to have a little sample to like throw in your makeup bag like when you're going on vacation or something. That's pretty cool. So again, the actual palette is the same as the outer part of the box, so I don't know, I just think this is so cute. All right, so when we open it up, we do have a pretty large mirror in here, and it says treat every day like a festival, and then it does come with a little protective sheet over the colors. And this is not like a palette I would typically reach for my everyday look, but I do see some shades in here that I would definitely like to try out. I think this is really pretty. I'm really interested to see like how these shades look. Ooh, these are very creamy. Ooh, that looks cool. So they're not like super pigmented, but I feel like you could definitely build those up with like this small shader brush with a little like back fix plus. Let's do this pink. I want to see how this looks on our skin. Whoa. Okay, this looks really chalky. I'm scared. Oh my gosh, that is a very pink. And this is definitely a very buildable shade. Let's do one more. Look, it does have quite a bit of fallout in that pink though. What do we want to try? Let's try one of these shimmers. So it just looks like that. Okay, so not too pigmented, but I feel like you could probably build this color up as well. Yeah, definitely can build it up. So that's good. All of these colors, you can definitely build them up if you don't like them the first time. I definitely see that the pink and the purple are very pigmented, so just to be careful with that. Okay, so I just added up all the prices for all of the items that we received this month, and the total came to $127, which honestly is a cheaper Boxycharm than I've received in the past. But again, we are only paying about $20 for this, so to receive this many products and the brands that we received was really good. This again wasn't my favorite box that I've ever received, just because I don't like loose highlighters and I don't see myself reaching for that palette that much, but I did like that they included a free primer with it, and I loved the brushes and the mascara and the eyeliner. So 3 out of the 5 things I definitely see myself using, so I feel like this was a pretty good box. Comment down below your favorite thing in this month's box. If you're thinking about getting Boxycharm, I would definitely say to go ahead and get it. I've had it for about 2 to 3 years now, and I've really never been too disappointed. Most of our makeup collection now is built off of Boxycharm or Ipsy, so definitely go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.